In the wild, survival often hinges on unseen battles waged through color and pattern, where creatures like the chameleon and snowshoe hare master the art of disguise to evade danger. The leaf-tailed gecko with its incredible ability to mimic fallen leaves, and the octopus perfectly adapted to its coral habitat showcase nature's ingenious methods of camouflage that enable them to thrive in their ecosystems. In the depths of the ocean, cuttlefish create mesmerizing displays of color to disappear among the rocks, while on land, northern fur seals use their natural hues to remain hidden from prying eyes, highlighting the endless creativity of nature in the fight for survival. The stick insect's incredible resemblance to twigs and the green frog's perfect match with its lily pad exemplify how evolution equips animals with extraordinary camouflage skills to evade predators in their natural habitats. The elusive snow leopard with its spotted coat camouflaged